Hey guys, second mentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a vertical line on your iPhone. Now, when it comes to vertical line, it might be an issue you have already encountered or you might encounter, and it seems to be a common issue that some iPhones have, and it could be pretty annoying, but there's luckily some ways to fix it. Now, when it comes to vertical line, it might be either vertical or horizontal, and this should help you resolve the issue. Now, when it comes to lines on your phone, there's two main reasons why it's happening. Either it's software related, so it's a software bug or glitch impacting your phone, which we'll address mostly in this video. And then the other side is the hardware. So let's say if your screen was damaged or there's loose connection in your phone, that might be the reason why you're seeing those lines on your phone. So first thing first is let's address the software issue. So most of the time, if it's a software related issue or bug, pretty much you want to do is a force restart. So to do a force restart on iPhone 8 and above, what you'll do is press and release the volume up and then volume down, and then hold this big side button until you see the screen. Now you're gonna wait until it dies down, completely goes black. So you're not gonna slide it, you're just gonna hold that big side button on the right hand side. And as you can see, we'll keep on holding until we see the Apple logo appear. And now we have done a force restart. Generally, force restart are the main thing to do whenever you have software issues, any sort of software issue for that matter. In fact, it should resolve it, and this is going to be a go-to solution for software related issue. The next thing you want to do is make sure that your phone is well charged. Sometimes having not enough charge could be the reason why you're seeing the line. For example, this phone is at 11%. Usually, generally on a phone, you want to keep it between 20 to 80% is the ideal range. So make sure you do that so that your phone is charged, and make sure it gets enough power, especially with OLED display, some high resolution display. They usually require power, and if it's a bug related to that, of course you want to make sure your phone is charged. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and back up your device. Now why you want to do this is really important, because when you have lines on your phone, eventually those lines could make your phone unresponsive and you could potentially have data loss. So go ahead and back up your device either through your iTunes account, or through your computer or iCloud, whatever works. Generally iTunes, connect it to your computer and you have iTunes or Finder on the MacBook, it will back it up for you. And then once you back it up, you want to do a factory reset and then restore back from the backup. So you'll go here, because you backed it up, you're going to go to General and then go down here to Transfer or a Reset iPhone. This is on iOS 15, so the menu is going to be slightly different if you're on an older version. But you want to go ahead and do this erase all content and setting, this option right here, which if you go through it, it will delete everything. That's why we do the backup first, because after we do a full factory reset, we can restore back everything back from that backup on your computer or on iCloud as well. So that's the next thing. And then now if you're still having an issue, it might be time to go ahead and update the software on your phone to the latest version if it's software related issue. So to do that, you're going to go into settings, and this time you're going to go to General and then Software Update, and you're going to look to see if there's a latest version of update out. When you see an update out like this, you're going to go ahead and hit that download and install. When you do that, it will go ahead and download it. But generally, if you do that, make sure your phone is also connected to power, because it does require some time to update your phone, and your Wi-Fi connection usually the best way to update your phone. So make sure you do that as well. So those are going to be the way to address the software issue that may be causing lines on your phone. Now, if you're still having the issue, now this is probably why it's not a software related issue. It's mostly hardware related issue. And what we mean by hardware, it could be the screen. So if you have a line here, what I suggest is press down firmly on the phone and see if that line goes away or moves. So if you do that, that kind of tests the connection on your phone's screen to make sure there's no loose connection. If you see it's getting fixed or the line's kind of going away, most likely you might have to open up the phone or take it to a authorized repair shop like Apple Store or another one that could actually take a look inside. Now, if it's screen related issue, most of the time the screen, that side might not have responsive touch. If that's the case, it's most likely a screen replacement that you'll need to get done. Again, Apple can do that for you. So that's how you can diagnose it between a software and a hardware issue. So hopefully this video helped you solve your vertical line issues or horizontal line issues on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.